Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your display name in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the activity, the community, the chat, and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your display name in Microsoft Teams. So changing your display name in Microsoft Teams is quite straightforward, and here's how to do it. First of all, as I already told you, launch the Teams app on your desktop or web browser. Then, in the top right corner, click on your profile picture. So click on the three dots here. From the drop-down menu, click on Edit Profile, of course. And then in the Edit Profile window, type the new display name in the name field. Save changes, so click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.